That's a big chicken. Hey, how's it going? This is Aaron over at Booyah Farms. So, after everything was said and done with this apple tree, unfortunately, that's a nice apple. We ended up with one apple, which that feels pretty good. Looks good. Can't see it inside the bag, but the heat and the birds pretty much wiped a bunch of stuff out. Let's go over here to our other apple tree, see what we got. Let's see. Guys, bear with me while I walk through the yard. Gotta pick up my dog poop today too. Come back in here. We got another apple over here. Let's see. Wow, and the bag for those is laying on the ground. It's never a good sign. That feels pretty heavy though. And I got another. It feels really heavy. Hope those are good. Got another apple in here. This is a Tropic Sweet. That thing fell right off. The birds have figured out how even the bags. You can see they're pecking holes through stuff. They're aggressively going after things, which is okay. That's what birds do. Let's go over here and actually see if we got anything worth bragging about. It's looking like we got about 5 whole apples for the whole deal. Alright, so we're back, and here's some grapes I picked earlier today. They're not quite ripe yet. Birds are raiding the bag, so we'll see how far we get with the grapes. But this is our total apple harvest, and we have one Anna. That is actually a really nice firm apple. We have one Tropic Sweet. That's a really nice firm apple. This is another Tropic Sweet. It's super squishy, super soft. We're not going to eat that. Here's another Tropic Sweet. The heat got to it. That's too bad. That's a pretty good apple. Maybe we can cut it in half. I don't know. And here's another Tropic Sweet. Pretty much the whole thing is, you know, look at it. I can squish it with my finger. Yeah, we're not going to eat that sucker. That's this year's apple harvest. Hopefully next year we do better. Definitely going to be more diligent with them in the heat. And this kind of sucks, but it's a learning lesson too, man. It's, you know, we got two good apples. Hopefully next year we can get 4. So this is our apple harvest. This is red flame grapes over here. They're not quite ripe yet. The birds are getting into the bags, so it's I don't know if we're even going to get any of these. But yeah, that's the ups and downs of gardening here in Arizona. I do have 2 good apples, so I'm not going to do the taste test here because I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and actually slice them up and eat them like an apple. But yeah, we'll see what happens next year. This year I'm going to consider it a thumbs down. Can't win them all though. So we'll just keep going on and see what happens.